Hey girl, how you doing? You are the woman that I'm really pursuing.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be creating this nice natural smoky eye look. So if you would like to see how I created this, please keep watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have already done my foundation, I've done my contour, and I'm baking under my eyes. So we can just focus on the eyeshadow today. And for the eyes today, I'm going to be using the Prissy Princess by MAC. This is one of their eyeshadow sets. And this one's one of my favorites because it's got really nice neutral tones with a little bit of like the shimmer in here. And then it's got this over here, which is really nice. This is a nice big highlight palette right there. So alright, so we're going to get started. The first one I'm going to use, and I don't have, when it came with a little slip cover that had all the names on it, and it doesn't actually have the names on the back. So just go with the point method. So the first one I'm going to use is this one right here. Okay. Alright, so first one, this color right here. And we're going to sweep that all over the eye. Got this nice little Morphe brush, little rounded guy. So, we'll tap that. With that same Morphe brush, I'm going to go in with this one right here. It's like a nice chocolate mocha kind of color. And we're going to put that in middle to the outer corner of the eye. A little tap.
Your name and you jot down your number, you'll get mine in exchange. Hey, see, I'm the man in this town, and I hope you wouldn't mind if I showed you around. So when you go to certain places, you'll be thinking of me. We got.
So then, to darken it up even more, I'm going to go in with this big guy right here. It's like a midnight chocolate kind of color. It's not a black, but it's pretty close. It's nice and dark for the smoky eye that we're doing. And I'm going to switch it up and change to this little guy. This little Morphe pointed brush right here. So I'm going to blend that into this corner. And push it up into the crease. And it's nice and dark over here. Do the same thing on this eye. So now we're going to go back in with this Morphe brush, this little rounded guy, with that second color that we put into the corners, and we're going to help the blend this in together. And then transitioning out, we're going to go back with the color that we started with, this little taupey color on that same brush, and blend it into the inner corner. To help transition the eyes, we're going to use this brush right here. This is a Sephora brush, and it's like a domed shape. It has this little tip at the top, which is really nice when you want to get into that right there. And we're going to take this nice light taupey, it's almost like a silver color. We're going to take that, and then we're going to take a little bit of this nice pinky tone color. We're going to sweep that into the crease. And then to help bring that into the brow bone, we're going to take that nice big pinky tone right on the end here. And we're going to sweep that from the crease up to the brow bone. Now for the most satisfying part, we're going to get rid of all of this. Alright, so I am going to go do lashes and eyeliner, and I will be right back. Alright guys, so I am back and I have applied my eyeliner and mascara and eyelashes. I used the Sex Kitten by Tarte for my eyeliner, and then I used a little bit of the Better Than Sex Waterproof by Too Faced mascara. And then lashes are Ardell Wispies. So now I am going to blend in all of my contour and the leftover powder underneath my eyes. I'm going to use my MAC's Studio Fix. This is an NW10. This is the compact powder. I love this powder. It's great for blending everything in together really, really, really nicely.
I'm really digging your lips, but be careful where you walking when you swinging them hips. I'm kind of concerned that you'll be causing a crash with your traffic jam booty heads pausing so fast. Hey, I wouldn't trade you for the world, I swear it. I like your hair in every style that you're wearing.
Alright, so now that that is done, I'm going to go in with the combination of the e.l.f. Moonlit Pearls highlighting powder. And then this is the highlight that you get in the Prissy Princess palette. So we're going to do a combination of those just for fun. So I'm going to take this big round Morphe brush. I'm going to go into the Prissy Princess palette first. And then on top of that, we're going to do the Moonlit Pearls by e.l.f. And then I'm also going to use this on my Cupid's bow as a little definer for my nose. And I'm going to take a little bit more of the Studio, put that in. And then to seal it all down all day, we're going to use the MAC's Prep and Prime. This is the translucent powder. So just get a little bit of that in there. I'm going to take this big powder Sephora brush. Going to fill in my little moles with the Urban Decay. This is Demolition. This is actually an eyeliner, but I use it for my moles. Alright, last but not least, we're going to do our lips. And I'm going to be using the Subculture lip pencil. This is by MAC to line my lips. And I'm just going to do a nice soft outline. When I do a smoky eye, I like to keep my lips pretty neutral. And then for lips, we're going to use the Dulce de Leche. This is by Jouer. Alright guys, so that will do it for this tutorial. I hope that you have enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of me and my tutorials, please hit the subscribe button below down here. And I will see you soon. Bye!